Pandemic parties, complete with a DJ and packed apartment. Sun seekers packed together on a pier last weekend. Just some examples of those not social distancing, and maybe the clue to unraveling the latest corona mystery, why so many now getting sick have been in quarantine.
This is a surprise. Overwhelmingly, the people were at home.
The latest look at COVID-positive patients finding 66% had been self-isolating, not working or commuting or traveling. Yes, 94% also had an underlying condition, but Governor Cuomo blaming their illness squarely on the rest of us.
Everything is closed down. Government has done everything it could. Society has done everything it could. Now it's up to you.
I don't see how we even have these kind of conversations about reopening when our basic behaviors don't show that we're ready for it.
People not following the basic guidelines, keeping your distance, wearing a mask, likely leading to the vulnerable then contracting the illness.
There's too much at risk. It's not only your own health and well-being, but it's the people that you expose, and their health is a result of your lack of hygiene and behavior.
And children, too, having a new type of response to the virus. 64 cases in New York State now being investigated.
Which have an inflammatory response. It's not really respiratory. It's more in the blood vessels themselves, where they have an inflammatory response to the virus or to the antibodies. I don't believe there's been any fatalities from it, but it's something the Department of Health is looking at.
And the symptoms that those children are experiencing are so common in young children. We're talking about rash, fever, and abdominal issues. This is something that has parents very much on the alert, as well as health officials. No fatalities in those children's cases so far. Reporting from home, I'm Kirsten Cole, Pix 11 News.